Welcome, listeners, to another fascinating world of numismatic episode where we explore the rich history and unique features of iconic coins. Today, we're focusing on the 1967 British 3-pence coin, a small yet significant piece of British numismatic history. This coin was minted in the United Kingdom, specifically at the Royal Mint in London. The UK is renowned for its rich history, cultural heritage, and contributions to the world of numismatics. From a geographical perspective, the 1967 3-pence coin was circulated throughout the United Kingdom, including England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. By the mid-20th century, the 3-pence coin had transitioned to a brass alloy. This change occurred in 1937 under King George VI's reign, primarily to create a more durable and practical coin during an era of economic challenges. Fast forward to 1967, and we find ourselves examining one of the final versions of this coin before the UK's decimalisation in 1971. Physically, the 1967 3-pence coin is dodecagonal, meaning it has 12 sides. This unique shape sets it apart from the more common round coins and makes it easily recognizable by touch. 3-pence coin is made of Cupro Nickel, a copper-nickel alloy. The coin has a diameter of 21 millimeters and a thickness of 2.5 millimeters, with a weight of 6.8 grams. The edge is plain, and the coin features a striking design. Its substantial feel and robust design make it a practical coin for everyday use. On the obverse side, you'll find a beautiful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This iconic portrait has become synonymous with British coinage. The legend reads Elizabeth II DG Reg FD, which translates to Elizabeth II, de Grazia, Regina, Fidei Defensor, or Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse side, you'll find a stunning design featuring 3 oak leaves and an acorn, symbolizing the 3-pence denomination. The design is a nod to the UK's rich history and heritage. The legend reads 3-pence 1967, indicating the denomination and year of issue. Now, let's journey through time and examine the historical context of this coin. The 3-pence coin was first introduced in the UK in 1544 during the reign of King Henry VIII. Over the centuries, the design and composition have changed several times. The 1967 Elizabeth II 3-pence coin was part of the UK's decimalisation process, which aimed to simplify the currency system. So, what's the value of this coin? In circulated condition, the coin is worth its face value, 3 pence to £1, depending on the condition. In uncirculated condition, the coin can fetch 5 to 10 pounds, depending on the condition and rarity. Proof or special mint sets can command 20 to 50 pounds or more, depending on the condition, rarity, and completeness of the set. The mintage for the circulated version was an impressive 64,500,000 coins, making it relatively common. However, the uncirculated version had a mintage of only 10,000, making it less common. Proof or special mint sets are even rarer. In terms of rarity, the circulated version is common, while the uncirculated version is less common. Proof or special mint sets are rare and highly sought after by collectors. 1967 was a pivotal year for the 3-pence coin. As the UK prepared for decimalisation, the traditional 3-pence coin was among those phased out. Decimalisation, completed in 1971, replaced the old currency system of pounds, shillings, and pence with a more straightforward system of pounds and new pence. The last minting of the 3-pence coin in its traditional form, therefore, holds significant historical value. The 3-pence coin was also known as the threepence or threepenny bit. The coin's design has changed several times over the centuries, reflecting the UK's rich history and heritage. The 1967 Elizabeth II 3-pence coin was the last 3-pence coin issued in the UK before decimalisation. And that's a wrap. We've explored the geography, characteristics, history, value, mintage, rarity, and interesting facts about the 1967 Elizabeth II 3-pence coin. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your collection, this coin is definitely worth adding to your collection. The 1967 British 3-pence coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a snapshot of history, a symbol of national heritage, and a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of its time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone with a passion for history, the 1967 3-pence coin is a fascinating artifact worth exploring. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating coin.